Good morning, I'm Rika and welcome to our Perspective USA. Here is a breaking news. Beijing and New Delhi need greater wisdom and determination to better manage their relations in 2022 in order to ease tension and improve bilateral ties and avoid any further conflict that could cause unnecessary casualties, suggested China's state-run Global Times in its recent opinion piece of India-China ties. In a carefully worded article published on Monday, contrary to its past rhetoric, the Global Times claimed that the Modi government wants to handle tensions pragmatically despite pressure from the opposition. The tensions in recent years are actually unusual throughout the history of China India ties. So, this could reflect an intention of the Indian high authorities to improve the atmosphere at the border. The act of exchanging sweets reported by the Indian media is meaningful, but it does not mean the two sides will easily reach an agreement very soon or make a major change on their principle about the border issue, the Global Times article stated. During Indian or Chinese festivals, it has been a customary for both sides to show goodwill to each other. Lin Min Wang, a professor at the Institute of International Studies of Fudan University, told the Global Times on Monday. The China India relationships at the border area is like neighborhood to some extent. Neighbors may have friction or even fight with each other occasionally, but they would like to be polite and return to a peaceful coexistence after the fight, Lin said. Due to the tough and complex environment and weather at the China India border regions, both sides might need assistance and cooperation from each other from time to time in different situations, such as to find and rescue missing military personnel, civilians, or animals, said the above mentioned analyst. Usually, after a minor conflict, officers in chairs from the two sides would gather at 8:30 a.m. the next morning and drink some tea. Lin said it is believed that such activity reported by the Indian media is basically a message from India's top officials to ease tension and keep communication open with China. There are many problems that cannot or do not need to be solved by fighting, Lin noted, saying that the tensions in recent years are actually unusual throughout the history of China India ties. So, this could reflect an intention of the Indian high authorities to improve the atmosphere at the border. The Global Times alleged that although the Modi government might want to handle the issue pragmatically, parties like extreme anti China forces in India, the US, or India's opposition parties who want to create more trouble for the ruling BJP would not prefer improvement of China India ties. They will continue to play troublemakers. So, new tension caused by provocation or accidents is likely to reemerge in 2022, claimed the article. To ease tension and recover bilateral ties and avoid any further conflict that could cause unnecessary casualties, both Beijing and New Delhi need greater wisdom and determination to better manage the issue in 2022, said analyst. Beyond the report for Sakti USA.